Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Traveler and the Weber Spirit E-210 gas grills, right? Both from Weber, both propane.
Yep, let's dive in. The Traveler, it's all about portability, right? It weighs only 32 pounds and folds down. The Spirit E-210, on the other hand, is a more traditional grill, weighing in at 20 pounds.
Right, dimensions are totally different too. The Traveler is about 42 inches deep when set up, while the Spirit is 32 inches. So the Spirit is less deep, but the Traveler is smaller when stored away.
Exactly. Now, cooking space. The Traveler can handle about 15 burgers, while the Spirit E-210 boasts a total cooking area of 450 square inches. It has a primary cooking area and a warming rack, so more cooking space with the Spirit.
Good point. The Traveler only has one burner, putting out 12,000 BTUs, but the Spirit E-210 has two burners and a heating power of 7,744.5 watts. So looks like more heat control with the Spirit with the two burners.
Definitely more control. And the Spirit has cast iron cooking grates, which retain heat really well, porcelain enameled ones, so they're durable.
Ah, that's a good feature. The Traveler, though, it shines with its easy setup and fold-down design. It's literally made for grilling on the go.
True. The Spirit E-210 has tool hooks and a grease management system, which are nice touches for convenience.
What about price? The Traveler is listed at $449, and the Spirit E-210 is on sale for $499.
So pretty similar price point. The Spirit is a bit more expensive, but you get more cooking space and two burners. The Traveler is all about that compact portability.
Okay, so if you need a grill you can easily take camping or to a tailgate, the Traveler is the clear winner.
Absolutely. But if you're looking for a solid grill for your patio with more cooking area and better temperature control, the Spirit E-210 is a great option. It's an Amazon's Choice product with lots of good reviews.
Makes sense. It really comes down to what you need in a grill. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.